August 21st and 22nd is the Gathering Oklahoma Classic Auto Show. From the team behind the Truck Gathering in Guthrie, the Gathering Oklahoma is an all-classic auto show for all vintage rides, regardless if you have a tailgate or not. Join us August 21st and 22nd, Oklahoma's Red Rock Canyon Adventure Park. This two-day show brings together builders, collectors, and fans from across the region.
Oh, we got what is that, old wrecker?
Yeah.
Oh, she got some patina.
That is tomato.
Oh, I love those West Coast mirrors.
Yeah.
Them West Coast mirrors, and it's got lights. That's a working unit, boy.
Oh, yeah. I like that front end bumper and all
I love it, too,
That's cool.
man. That's a working old truck.
Yeah, was that a 78?
Sweet.
79?
Oh, look, we got us a GMC Suburban jacked up.
The Smurf school bus.
I like the wheels on it.
It sits up
pretty
nice.
good.
It sounds good.
Yeah. It sounds good. Sounds like a big block.
Just did that.
Pretty sweet. Needs a little body work.
What is that, like a what is that, like a 8-inch lift, 6-inch lift, 8-inch?
Them are 37s, I think. Yeah, that's at least. It's got some nice shocks on it. Man, what are them? King shocks? Coil
I don't know.
On the front? He spent some money under that truck.
Some nice wheels and
that
tires.
Blazer, Suburban. That's Suburban.
I take that plastic skid guard off underneath the front bumper.
Yeah, I know. Everybody, they usually trash them. They don't last long.
He's got the automatic running boards.
Yeah. He put a little money into that. It's got rear discs too, look.
Yeah.
Rear disc brakes. Oh, here comes our old redhead with the dually. Yeah, I know her. I was talking to her husband and complimenting his wife, and I didn't know it was his wife. He took it pretty good, though. I bought their dually.
He's got to be used to it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That is a sweet-looking old truck.
That's one of the M2s they made, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's why I got the model of it. Yeah. We'll stand up and give the full, like, oh man, thumbs up.
I'm really upset I didn't bring pants.
Yeah, I told you. I let you know. Uh-oh.
Oh my God,
We got an off year. Oh man, it doesn't know which year it's supposed to be.
It's got a big hood. It's a freaking race car. We got a race car here.
Man. She's jacked up.
One of them trans trucks.
Yeah. Trans truck. Oh, here's another rando.
Here comes an Outback. Or no, that's a Volvo.
Worse.
It's a Volvo. Nine. Or is it Swedish?
No, it's Swedish. They're intermediate. All right, well, we seen this one yesterday. Whoa, I love them West Coast mirrors.
Big old wide sucker.
Yeah, she's got a nice bed on it too.
Can you imagine the bugs on the front of that thing?
Oh, I love that. Look at the top lights.
Yeah.
That's good looking truck.
Sounds good.
Sounds nice, yeah.
I like how short it is.
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, that's nice.
Hey, the first person that goes by without us doing them, get your ass back here.
No, you just turn them around, tip your hat. Tip your hat and say, no. Oh,
That's sweet.
Here it comes. Boy, look at that sweet.
What are we getting?
Oh, we're getting big thumbs up. You better get them thumbs up. That is sweet. Cool. Look at it, man.
Twin turbo.
Oh, man. That sucker's wicked. Look at the back end.
Badass.
That is cool. That's a sweet little ride. Remember we seen him last year, I think. Yeah. Man, that's a nice.
That's sweet.
Yeah, big time. That is beautiful. That's a sweet little half ton. See that? I would love to have. Oh, there's that truck there too. We got some good ones coming in now. I love the headlights.
Yeah.
The yellow lights on it, boy. That looks good, man.
Got the call out on the grill.
Oh yeah.
When they
Oh,
stop
it's got
doing
that bike. It's got that cool 8-hanger bike in the back.
That's the guy who was parked over here who was revving it yesterday. We walked by and
I've seen him
noticed
run
it was
that
a
truck
track
at C10 Nationals around the track, too.
Yeah, that's sweet.
That's a cool truck. I've seen that one at C10 Nationals.
Green one?
Yeah, yeah. And this truck last year was here. That's a pretty little truck.
That's nice.
Truck Gathering Saturday edition. Glad you're here.
Yeah, we got 3 nice ones in a row here. Minus the golf cart. Boy, look at the paint on this little green one, man. That thing
He
is
put
sweet.
a lot of work into that.
Yeah, that is sweet.
It looks
the
good.
The bed is cool too.
Yeah.
You talking about hauling the grain? That thing would haul it, boy. That twin turbo. Look at all that work on them pipes and stuff.
Shave the door handles.
Yeah,
and
he
everything.
done that. He had somebody or had it done.
He might have done it himself.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's just them kind of builds. You usually have guys that'll build. They build them in their garages themselves. That's one of the sweetest ones I've seen so far.
Got them wide ones on the back.
Oh man, he's coming through the puddle. I love that old call out 454, boy. Good looking wheels on it too.
He's got that green plaid interior.
Yeah,
Really cool. I like
nice.
his wheels too.
Yeah, here's a nice
And he's got the
mid-50s.
original hubcaps on, or the original gas caps.
Yeah, I know. They're hard to find, too. I'd like to have that little red truck to complement this one. That'd be a nice little half-ton, man. Sweet.
Pulling on a trailer behind it.
Oh, yeah. It looked good, boy. Pretty package.
I like those wheels.
Everybody keeps trying to come out. This is supposed to be only in here.
Old people always getting in the way.
Oh, man. They don't realize, recognize.
Get with the program, old man.
Oh, man.
This ain't the right flow of traffic.
Get your Tacoma out of here.
Get out of here.
Oh, man.
The bad truck's over there.
Morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm making
Chilly.
it. Boy, I'm still chilly, but
That's
we're
a beautiful
we
rig.
appreciate it. My high school truck.
Yeah?
Yeah, I travel with it now. So, woo! Look
Boy,
at that.
that's a
That's
good-
dark green. Ain't
that's
it?
a good looking
Dang,
paint
boy,
job.
it is pretty.
I think we pretty well destroyed all our high school.
Yeah, I was pretty careful with this one. Mom and Dad let me park it in the garage.
Oh, man.
Yeah. But it's been a lot. It's been 200,000 miles though. Uh-oh. We got some too small of tires on that one. Oh man.
Dude, no shit.
I know.
What the hell?
15s look like. Dang. They run out of money.
He looks like the monster
Run
trucks
out-
when they back him out of the 18-wheeler with those little bitty wheels on it.
Yeah. That's a sweet little. I like the paint job on that truck. It's kind of got that almost black, but then it turns green. That's pretty cool. I wish I could see it in the sun. I bet it really looks good in the sun, man.
That's like a 2001 or 2 3/4 ton.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
it's not bad. I I like it better than that GMC.
Yeah.
As far as what it is, I like the cat eyes better though. I like the cat eye, Chevys. My dad's got a 3/4 ton, 6-liter with only 31,000 miles on it. It's our farm truck. Yep, 4-wheel drive. Ooh, look at this. It's Suzu with a work bed.
Yeah. Some bitch is struggling too, boys.
There comes the mini truck. Now we're gonna make fun of the minis. Dang.
We're gonna make fun of the small ones.
It's still cool though. I've never seen one like that. Hey. Now I like the orange truck.
Damn,
my
look, it got
uncle had
motors
one.
sticking out of the hood.
I like that.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet
Good.
there.
Nice. Yeah, that's about a 68 or 9 there, ain't it? That's about see the trim?
Yeah.
I like the trim of that,
I like that.
older style. Man, sucker's got a little something in it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm
pretty
saying
sweet.
is he done some work on that. We had a new Isuzu back in the day, and it was the weakest 4-cylinder. Man.
They were more square back then, those little Isuzus.
Yeah. But that must be a early. That's early, late 90s. Late 90s, I think, right there. Yeah. He's got a cool little trike in the back. You see the trike? I didn't even know they made a work bed for a little truck like that. That's small. That's pretty cool. Yeah, he probably cut it down from a regular, like a short bed to full size. Yeah, oh yeah. That's cool though. I give him points on being unique. That sucker's pretty. That's unique, man.
That's cool, man.
Never seen a work bed. I like it. Look at the bike. Yeah, it's cool. Man,
Those
this
guys
is
are
sucker cackling.
Those guys are like, who are these Peckerwoods giving us the thumbs up?
Yeah, hey, we're the greeting committee.
Hey, that's the guy
I
with the
drove
fish.
one of them when they were new. It's all right for a 4.3.
That's the guy with the big red fish truck.
That's the greeting wagon. Woo, that wind's still cold.
Yeah, it's
man.
kind of sucky.
But we got a full blockage, you know.
It's gonna be a
tree.
beautiful day. It's just chilly right now.
Yeah. Oh, look at the wheels on that.
Yeah, I like that.
Golly. Oh, it's white. I thought it was primered at first, but you see it in the sun. I think it's
he's got some kind of decals on it or something.
nice white OBS there.
Why not just drive it up here?
I
Or
know.
at least drive
Well, that's what
it
I'm
in, you know.
Yeah. Well, they got to go back and unload them back over there. Oh, he's got is that the rebel flag? Or what is it? No, it's some other flag. What is it?
Something.
Some kind of race, something. I love the wheels on it.
187
That's kind of
Customs.
cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Something different. QA1.
Hell
Oh,
yeah.
man. That's cool for what it is.
I like that.
Yeah. That's candy paint on them wheels, boy.
I like the blue and the red.
Yeah, what he did to the paint on the. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's sweet. Look at that. For a step side too, you know.
Yeah.
Step sides, that's pretty cool. Sounds pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Sucker's got a little beat.
Oh,
Yeah.
He
Look
needs
at them
some-
wheels.
He needs
He's
some
got
airbags.
Star wheels. Cool cups.
Good old 5.7 liter Hemi. 2014,
Yeah.
something like that. 2015.
Right before they got better.
I like
Pretty
that
clean.
orange.
Yeah. No, it's just a half ton, but it's an old farm
That
truck.
looks like the truck from old Ernest Saves Christmas.
Yeah, with the snakes.
You
the
want
snakes
one?
in it.
You want one for your boy?
Yeah, that's definitely the old Ernest truck. Actually, the body's pretty straight on that one,
Yeah.
man. Yeah. It's not bad for a
I
long
like it.
bed.
Yeah, Sierra Grande.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Shoot, I'd clean that baby up and paint it. Oh, man.
It's got all the original trim on
If
it.
it's got really good patina, I like it. I'd leave it alone. I've got a Blazer that's got good patina on it, and I'm leaving it. But if it's a candidate for paint, I paint it. That's a nice one. Look at that black and white one, man. That's nice.
Yeah, it looks good.
That's more original too. Got the old rally wheels on it.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Good looking ride.
All right, I think our music's ruining us.
Yeah.